Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're checking out the Roborock Q Revo S, a robot vacuum that's promising top-tier cleaning at a more affordable price than its high-end competitors. But does it really deliver, or is it just another vacuum with a fancy name? Let's find out. Remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out if you're interested. And before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe if you love real, no BS reviews. Also, if you've used any Roborock vacuums or have any questions, let me know in the comments. I always check them. So, out of the box, the Q Revo S has that clean, modern Roborock look. But this time, it's built to be a more budget-friendly version of their premium models, without sacrificing too many features. It still comes with a self-emptying dock, dual spinning mop heads, and intelligent navigation, which already puts it ahead of a lot of competitors in its price range. The dock is slightly smaller than the one on the S8 Pro Ultra or the Saros 10R, but it still empties dust, refills water, and even dries the mop heads to prevent that nasty mildew smell. That's a win already. All right, let's talk about how well this thing actually cleans. Suction power is solid. It pulls up pet hair, crumbs, and dust without breaking a sweat. At 5,500 pascals, it's not as powerful as some of the more premium models, but for most homes, it's more than enough. The dual spinning mop heads? Legit. Unlike basic robot mops that just drag a wet pad around, these actually scrub the floor, which makes a big difference when dealing with sticky messes. Auto-lifting mops. This is a game changer. If it senses carpet, the mop lifts up automatically so you don't end up with wet rugs. I ran it across different surfaces and it handled the transition seamlessly. For everyday cleaning, this vacuum is more than capable. The only downside, it doesn't press down on stains as hard as some of Roborock's more expensive models. So if you've got really stubborn messes, you might need to step in and do some manual cleaning. The Q Revo S uses LiDAR navigation, which means it maps out your home quickly and learns the best way to clean without getting stuck. In my tests, it avoided furniture well, didn't randomly bump into things, and efficiently covered the whole space without missing spots. The app controls are also great. You can set no-go zones, so it doesn't go where you don't want it to. Customize cleaning modes for different rooms. Schedule cleaning so you don't even have to think about it. It even remembers multiple maps, so if you live in a multi-story home, you can carry it upstairs and it'll know where it is. That's a small but useful feature. All right, let's keep it real. This vacuum isn't perfect. The dock is smaller, which means it holds less dust than some of the more premium models. You'll still get weeks of hands-free cleaning, but not quite as long as something like the S8 Pro Ultra. No hot water mop cleaning. While the mop heads spin, they don't get washed with hot water like in higher-end models, so you might need to rinse them manually now and then. It's not the absolute best at deep cleaning carpets. It does well for maintenance, but if you've got really thick carpets or heavy dirt buildup, you might need a stronger vacuum for that. So, is the Roborock Q Revo S worth it? If you want a solid, feature-packed robot vacuum that cleans well, mops efficiently, and won't cost as much as the premium models, this is an awesome choice. The self-emptying dock, powerful suction, and smart navigation make it a great bang-for-your-buck option. But if you need the absolute best deep cleaning, or a vacuum that can handle heavy-duty stains without manual help, you might want to look at Roborock's higher-end models. Are there any other key points you think should have been mentioned? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less. So be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely going to be one of them. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.